What was it? Hatches, hatches.
No, mattress.
Say it then.
Mattress. Never touch. They will hurt you very much.
Oh, right.
See?
Sorry.
So I won't sing it.
Oh, okay. And what's that all about? Fireworks and stuff? Bonfires?
Yeah. Fire's all about bonfires, well.
So we can't touch bonfires, no?
And when they saw rockets, they flew up. Then the rocket smashed off. Then fireworks come out.
Wow.
Fire's really cool.
Yeah. Well, can we touch them? Why?
Because you're not allowed to. They just go up on their own.
Brilliant. Anything else?
I think, yeah. And the animals need to stay in your house.
Good idea.
Because they are scared of lightning. Purple lightning and fireworks. Bye, Stevie Sparrows.
Brilliant. Is that it then, yeah?
I think no.
Any more?
I think so.
What about hedgehogs?
Oh yeah. And pets.
Yeah. What about dinosaurs?
No.
No?
Actually, they are really brave.
What, dinosaurs are?
Mhm.
Why?
And I don't need to stay inside. I don't.
Well, you're not an animal, are you?
No. Don't be so silly.
Oh, sorry. Alright, say goodbye.
Goodbye.